Dear students, now we will learn about the complement of a set definition. Let U be a universal set. Everyone know we are going to denote the universal set is the largest set and A be the subset of a universal set. Then the complement of a is the set of all the elements of a U which are not the element of a. And the complement of a is denoted by A dash. Thus, the A dash is a set of all x such that x belongs to U, but x does not belongs to A. Means here if I to find the A complement is nothing but the difference of a universal set and the set A. Means A complement is equal to U minus set A. Here we have to note down if A is a subset of all universal set U, then its complement, that is A dash, is also the subset of a U. And we know if we will take the double complement, A complement of a complement is nothing but the A. The complement of A dash of the set A can be represented by the Venn diagram as shown in the figure. Here I am drawing here as a Venn diagram. Okay, are you finding? This we are going to denote in a rectangular form as a universal set. If I will draw a closed set, that is A. Okay, here these are the elements of A. So what is the elements of this remaining part is nothing but A complement, and this is called as a Venn diagram for this complement of A dash and the set A. Some properties of the complement set we will see. First, complement laws, that is first A union A complement is nothing but a U. Whenever we will do the union of a set A and his complement, then we will get universal set. And second is A intersection of A complement is nothing but phi. De Morgan's law. First De Morgan's law is the union of A and B, their complement is nothing but A complement. Here we are taken as a union's complement, and here A dash intersection B dash. Second, A intersection B complement is nothing but A complement union B complement. When we will take as the complement of intersection, then we are going to get here the union of their complements, and when union of the complement we will take, then we are going to get as the intersection of these two complement. Third law, law of double complementation, that is A complement of complement is nothing but A. Fourth, law of empty set and universal set. If we will take as a empty sets complement, we will get universal set, and universal set complement is nothing but the phi. Now just we will see here the exercise 1.5. First problem, let U is a universal set which contains the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4. B is a set of 2, 4, 6, 8. And C is a set of 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to find the first problem is a complement of A. And the formula of complement of A is nothing but U minus A. U means universal set, and universal set is given 1 to 9 minus set A given as a 1 to 4 element. What we are doing here in the difference, whatever the common in the second set we are cancelling from the first set, is it? And what is left in the first set? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So A complement is nothing but 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Second is B complement. Formula is U minus B. U is universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus B is a set of 2, 4, 6, 8. We will cut this 2, 4, 6, 8. What is left? B complement 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In the third problem, we have to find A union C, their complement. Means we have to find first A union C. A is a set of the element 1, 2, 3, 4. Union 3, 4, 5, 6. Union means common we have to write only one time, and the remaining means A union C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to find their complement, means we will get here U minus A union C. U is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and here minus we have to do as a 1 2 3 4 5 6, means these numbers we have to cut. What is left? 7 8 9. So 7 8 9 is a union C complement. Fourth is A union B complement. A union B, we are having a 1 2 3 4 union 2 4 6. Here we will take as a 2 is a common and 4 is a common, means we are going to get A union B is 1 2 3 4 6 8. A union B complement is equal to U universal set minus A union B, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and here we got A union B is a 1 2 3 4. So first 1 3 4 we will cancel, 6 and 8. What is left are you finding here? 5 7 9. So 5 7 9 is A union B complement. Now fifth is A complement is, already we had find 5 6 7 8 9. Again we had to do as a complement of this, means U minus A complement, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. From there we had to minus this, means cut this. So what is left? 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3 4 is nothing but set A. That's why A complement of a complement is nothing but A is a property is verified here. Fourth problem, B minus C complement, means first of all we have to find B minus C, means subtraction of a B set and C set. That is 2 4 6 8 is a set elements of a B set minus 3 4 5 6. What we are finding which is a common? 4 and 6 is a common, we had cut. So we got here B minus C is the element 2 8. It contains the element 2 and 8. Now we have to find B minus C complement, means we have to do U minus B minus C. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 is a universal set minus 2 8, they had we got here B minus C set. So here again we will cut 2 and we will cut 8. What is left element in a universal set? 1 3 4 5 6 7 and 9. So B minus C complement is nothing but this set. Second problem, if U is equal to A B C D E F G H, find the complements of the following set. They had given the set A and we had to find the complement of this set. Means A is a ABC. So A complement means universal set minus A. Universal set given A B C D E F, minus we have to do A B C. We will cut this element A B C. What is left in the universal set? D E F G H. So A complement is D E F G H. Here B is equal to D E F G. These are the elements of set B. B complement is U minus B. A B C D E F G H minus D E F G, means we have to cut D E F G. What is left in universal set? A B C and H. A B C and H is here. Okay, so what we are finding, we got here B complement is nothing but A B C comma H. Third problem, C is a set of the element A C E G. C complement we have to find. So U minus C is nothing but A B C D E F G H minus C is the element of a, C is having the elements A C E G. A we have to cut, C we have to cut, E we have to cut, and G. What is left? B D F H. So C complement is nothing but B D F H. D is equal to F G H A. We have to find D complement, which is equal to universal set minus D. A B C D E F G H is a set of universal given in this problem, minus F G H A is a set of a D. These are the elements of the set D. So what we have to do? F, then G, and then H with A. This we have to cut. What is left? A B D E. So D complement, which is equal to B C D E. And one thing is clear कि universal set in every problem is different. Third problem we have to see here, taking the set of a natural number as a universal set, means here universal set is a set of natural number. Okay, everyone know natural number start with 1 and it is infinite. And write down the complement of the following set. Okay, they have given the simple that is a sets and we have to write their complement. But here we had mentioned the set A, B, C, that is first, second, third likewise. So first set I am here denoting, that is the set of all x such that x is a even natural number. So what is the complement of this? Is x is a odd natural number. Say second problem, b is equal to x such that x is a positive multiple of a 3. And then what is a b complement? Means it is multiple of 3. So what is the set A? Is not a positive multiple of a 3. Okay. C is a set of all x such that x is a odd natural number. So C complement is nothing but all x such that x is an, if it is odd then we have to take as a even natural number. Here fourth problem we are denoted as a D. D is a set of all x such that x is a prime number. If x is a prime suppose it is a composite number. So we will here D dash, that is sorry, D dash means D complement is a set of all x such that x is a positive composite number. But in a composite number we are going to start the numbers from 4, then 6 and so on. And we are we are getting x is also not a prime number. That's why we have to denote again x is equal to 1. Composite, in a composite number 1 is not coming. That's why we have to separately we have to write x is equal to 1. Next fifth is a set of all x. E is a set of all x such that x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. Okay. So we have to E complement means E dash is nothing but the set of all x such that x is a natural number, that is here what they had given as a divisible by 3 and 5. So we will take as a that is not divisible by 3 or 5, means like the numbers which are not divisible by 3 or 5. Opposite we have to consider. F is a set of all x such that x is a perfect square. So okay, perfect square we are going to get as a number 1, 4, then 9 and 16 and so on. So we have to take their complement. F dash is nothing but the set of all x such that x belongs to n. X belongs to n, mane natural number, and x is not a perfect square number. Means here you are going to get as a 2, 3, 5 and so on numbers. Okay. Then G is a set of all x such that x is a perfect cube, and complement what we will get, x is a such that x belongs to n means natural number, and x is not a perfect cube. Okay. Then eighth problem, H is equal to set of all x such that x plus 5 is a 8. This condition is going to be verified. Means H complement what we will take as a it is possible only when x is equal to 3. Is it? 3 plus 5 is nothing but 8. That's why complement what we will consider the set of all x such that x belongs to n means natural number and x is not equal to 3. In this case we want x is equal to 3. Here we will say x is not equal to 3. Ninth problem, I is a set of x such that 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. I dash such that x the set of all x such that x belongs to n. Here when we will take as a x value is a 2, then we will get this is going to verify. So we will consider here x is not equal to 2. 10th problem that we are considering, J is equal to set of all x such that x is greater or equal to 7. X is greater or equal to 7 means which number we are going to get, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Okay. So J dash means complement. What we will get other than that means x set of all x such that x belongs to n means natural number, and here x is less than 7. Why I had written x is less than? Because we will get in this complement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 only this number, and these numbers are less than 7. That's why we had written in this way. 11th problem, K is equal to the set of all x such that x belongs to n and 2x plus 1 is greater than 10. Okay, here what we had given here, 2x plus 1 greater than 10, means here we are going to get the value of x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. So the complement we will get here k dash, which is equal to the x such that x belongs to n, means natural number, and x is less or equal to 9 by 2, means x value we will get here the less or equal to 9 by 2 means 4.5. okay, means less than 5. So this is the complement of the given problem.